Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures, bringing you some energy commentary here on Friday morning, June 15th. Let's take a look at that July crude oil here. Currently trading around 84.06, up 13 cents. Brent weaker, trading around 96.97. That's down 16 cents. That spread, as many of you who follow my videos know, I've been talking a lot about that spread. That spread has been narrowing. It's at the narrowest point here in 6 weeks right now. So I see some great opportunity coming up in that spread. If you'd like to discuss it a little bit more, how you can play the WTI Brent spread, give me a call. I can clue you in on that. We got nat gas here, a touch weaker this morning after a big move yesterday here, up over 15%. Nat gas currently trading around 246. It's down about 3.6 there. So just pulling back here just a little bit here, but big move yesterday. Take a look at the charts there. Really nice breakout there. We'll see if we hold on to most of those gains here today or not. Complex, firmer tone also this morning. The RBOB sitting around 262.19, up about 155. The heat 264.26. That's up around 148. Let's take a look and talk about some of the fundamentals right now in the oil market. Things that I'm taking a look at here. Weakening dollar. Take a look at that dollar index chart here. Really strong dollar there in May. Since June here, that dollar really has started turning lower. And of course, oil being priced in dollars here, that's been a bit supportive here to the oil market, as well as a lot of commodities out there right now. So I'm watching a key area in that dollar around 80. So keep an eye on that. OPEC, that meeting yesterday, they've agreed to adhere to 30 million barrel a day output. So, we'll take a look and see if they're going to actually stick on that or not. But, that market is viewing that as supportive here right now. Outside markets, equities seem to have a firmer tone here, so that's helping, being supportive to the market. Got to watch Europe, obviously. We know a lot of stuff's coming out of Europe, and news there does have potential to, I think, short-term negatively affect the market. But all in all, with this, the central banks putting a coordinated effort together to support, ailing banks over there, I think. That obviously the market's viewing that as somewhat of a positive right now. Watch the Greek elections over the weekend here. I don't think there's going to be anything shell shocker out of there to put a damper on the oil market, but still need to keep an eye on that. Talking a little bit about the fundamentals here, those momentum indicators, which I've mentioned a lot about, I think those look really solid here and are starting to turn here to the upside. We're not out of the bear camp here just yet, but it looks better and better every day. We've been seeing for the last, today here we've got a 4-day high here this morning, which is good. We've also seen the last 4 days, we've seen higher highs and higher lows. So I think that's encouraging there to the bull camp as well. We broke through that 83.90 area. I've mentioned that area several times in the last several posts, and prior to breaking through that, that was really a pretty strong resistance area. Since obviously we've broken through that. So look today to see if we hold a close above that area. I think would add more fuel to the bull camp fire here. I think major support area coming in around 82.25. I think that's a support area 1. Look for major support around 81. I think that's a real strong area of support. We take that out and close underneath there, we could be heading lower, but I don't see that in the cards yet. I'm still targeting that 88 to 92 area. Let's kind of keep an eye out for that. If you'd like to get put on the distribution list to receive those DOE reports that I mentioned here, the expectations as well as the actual numbers, give me a call, shoot me an email so that you can get those, ahead of the time, the expectations obviously, and then the actual numbers. Always a great thing for traders to have. And if you'd like to discuss markets in any detail, give me a call at the trade desk. That number is 800-367-7290, or shoot me an email. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve risk, and it may not be suitable for all investors. Good luck and good trading.